Today I'm going to be reviewing Esamcore cup holder tablet mount. You can also mount your phone. It's adjustable to 15-inch height, 360-degree rotation stand. This is just a Fire tablet. My Apple Pro was in a case and I didn't want to take it off. So here it is. This stand really has everything you need. It holds the tablet so it can definitely do the weight. So you can see here, it actually fits into the cup with these little pins that you spin out from the unit. It's very, very convenient. You can adjust at the elbows. You can adjust it up, down, around. You can even turn that around towards the back. Let's say you have kids in the back. You can turn it around and have the tablet face them, which is great for long drives. Now, it holds it in there really well, as you can see. In order to get it out, you will have to spin the little clamps that kind of go out. You can see them there. They do even have extenders if that's not enough. You can see on the back, that clamp goes really wide, and it's going to also fit most of the cup holders. So it's going to fit most tablets, it's going to fit most cup holders, and it's fairly easy to put together. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.5 stars, 180 reviews, and last month, 500 plus were bought. It's got a lifetime warranty. All you have to do, just email them, and if you have any issues, they'll do their best to take care of you. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.